Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. So today's new lesson is decimal. Decimal means what? Where we have to give the decimal point. Here I will explain. Suppose one chocolate is there. Okay. One chocolate is there and there are 10 equal parts. So here one chocolate is there and 10 equal parts are there. Okay. Now what is mean by decimal? Decimal means suppose इसमें से 6 पार्ट्स जो है 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स I 8 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 right. Just before the lesson decimal started, we saw the lesson fraction, right? So in fraction, if I have to write it in the fraction, then 6 parts I ate from these 10 equal parts, right? That is in the fraction. Now, if I have to write in a decimal, then how to write it in a decimal? So decimal means what? If there are 10 equal parts, okay, and 6 parts are 8, then what we do? We divide this 6 by 10. So we get answer 0.6. We get the answer 0.6. Suppose, one more example I will explain you. Here it is 5 at a numerator and 10 at a denominator. It is 5 by 10. Okay. So, how to write 5 by 10 in decimal form? So, here it is only 1 0 is there, right? Only 1 0 is there. That's why we take 0.5. How to write this? 0.5. One more example. Suppose here it is 3 by 10. Then how to write this in a decimal form? It is 0.3. It is 0.3. We can say this like 0.6, 0.5, 0.3 or 6/10, 5/10 or 3/10, right? Because in a place value chart, to the right of the decimal there is tens place, tens. Okay, th, tens. Then next is hundreds part, hundreds, hundreds means what? Suppose tens means what? Tens means 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. Okay. If I added 1 by 10 times, how many times? 10 times. Then I get 10 by 10. 10 by 10 equals to 1. Means this 10 pieces or 10 parts of a chocolate is having 1 by 10 parts. 1 by 10 parts. हर एक इसमें 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Right. Similarly, 1 by hundreds means what? Or hundreds means what? Hundreds part means so these are the 100 equal parts. These are the 100 equal parts. Means एक जो मेन होल है उसके हमने कितने पार्ट्स किए? 100 पार्ट्स. Okay. So if I write here 1 by 100 means it is hundredths part. hundredths part यानी ये जो 100 है 100 एक चॉकलेट है सपोज. ओके, वन चॉकलेट इज देयर और मैंने उसके 100 पार्ट्स किए, 100 इक्वल पार्ट्स किए और उसमें से एक ही बाइट इधर का जो है वो ले लिया मैंने यहाँ. सो इट इज नथिंग बट द 1/100, 100th part. Now 100th part means in a decimal it is 0.01. 100th part means in a decimal 0.01. It is in a fraction and it is in a decimal. Okay. So 0.01 is what? यहाँ पे जो 100 है, 100 में 2 0 है. That's why we take 2 digits after the decimal point. 2 digit after the decimal point. If there is only one zero, suppose 1 by 10, 10th part. Okay, so it is 0.1. Why? Because only one zero is there. That's why after decimal point there is one place. Okay, so it is 1 place. उससे भी थोड़ा सा ये रहेगा जिसमें thousands part. Thousands means 1/1000. 1/1000 means what? कि एक पूरा होल है, एक पूरा एक चॉकलेट है, सपोज एक रोटी है, उसके 1000 पीसेस अगर हमने किए इक्वल 1000 पीसेस, उसमें से एक पार्ट मीन्स 1/1000 पार्ट. 1/1000 पार्ट. सो इसको लिखने के लिए हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 0.001. Why? Because there are 3 zeros. That's why we need after decimal point 3 digits. So our answer is 0.001. So decimal is having 3 parts. Decimal is having 3 parts. One is whole. One is whole part. Another is the decimal point. Decimal point, and this part is decimal part. This part is decimal part. Now what is meant by whole part? Whole part means suppose it is 1.6. So I draw here 1.6. One whole and 6 tenths. These 10 equal parts are there. Okay, ये एक होल हो गया पूरा जो शेडेड पार्ट है और उसमें से 6 पार्ट हम क्या करते हैं शेड. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so it is nothing but the 1.6. One whole and 6 tenths. One whole and 6 tenths. Tenths means what? 0.6. Okay, so it is 1.6. Okay, so it is parts of a decimal number. How to solve or how to suppose one example is there. We have to complete the table. Complete the table. Fraction is given, and here it is decimal. We have to convert it into decimal. Okay, so here it is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is 0.1. 2 by 10 means 0.2. 3 by 10 means 0.3. 4 by 10 means 0.4. 5 by 10 means 0.5 and so on. Okay, how to solve this? If fraction is 1 by 10, we can write in a decimal form it as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Suppose the fractions are like one whole, then how to write? Suppose here it is 2, here it is 5/10. Okay. So how to write in a decimal? Write one whole as it is. Okay, one whole as it is, and we have to write it in a decimal point. So 1/10 is 0.1. So 0.1 is 0.1. Here it is 2.1. Here it is 3.2, because 2/10 is there. 2/10 is 0.2. Here it is 4.5. No need to write 0.5. Okay, simply we write 4 at a whole place. See, here this 0.2 is what? This 0 is a whole. 0 is a whole part. If there is no any whole part, then we write 0. But if there is a whole part, see, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have to write that whole part, whole number. 2, 3 or 4. No need to write 0. Okay. So here, students, solve the exercise 8A in your notebook. Okay. So thank you very much. Keep watching my videos. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye.